Hi everyone, this is Emmy. I don't have time to do a tutorial at the moment, so I have posted a free pattern for this shawl on my blog. It's very easy. There are only really 3 sections, and it's a nice airy shawl for summer and has a lot of detail without very much work, and you can make it in lots of colors. I'm showing a few examples here. I used a worsted weight yarn, so it works up fairly quickly. And you can add the fringe if you like or not. You can wear it in multiple ways. You wrap it around your neck like a loose cowl. You can wear it like a long scarf, with or without the fringe. And here again is a loose cowl. I've posted the pattern on my blog, and you can find the link below this video in the description, and I'm also going to pin it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.